So we're looking to create a gemstone model that represents this for Bryce, and I'm going to use Wings 3D. So it's sort of an elongated octagonal shape. Now in Wings 3D, which I'll just bring up now, come on Wings. So things are running a bit slow because of the recorder. If I right click once it's loaded, I can choose something called an Octo Toad, whatever that is. Anyway, it's handy because it's got these 8 sides, which is ideal for my purpose. So with this tool here, allows me to select a single face. If I select a face on one side and middle button, rotate, and left click, select the face on the other side, and then press the plus key. So just that's plus, that just extends the selected faces by 1, and then press delete, gets rid of all the faces. Right click gives me a context sensitive menu, which I can use Extrude Normal, which brings it out normal to the face, and I'll just extrude that face a bit, and then if I just left click again, it deselects it. Right click again, and I want scale uniform, and scale it down, and that gives me my octagonal gem front. Then use this button here to select the entire object, right click and scale axis, select the Y axis, and that allows me to elongate the shape. Space deselects the entire object, and there you go, sort of an octagonal gemstone shape, which I think is the equivalent of this rather pixelated version. It's a bit difficult to guess what's going on in these areas, but I'm just working on the basis that this middle section is an octagon as matching the outside section, and that's the shape that you could make in Wings 3D relatively easily. And since Wings 3D is free and it's a nice modelling tool anyway, then if you just want to get it to Bryce, then you go File, Export. For something simple like this, you can use 3ds as the export option. If it was a more complex object, use Wavefront, OBJ format. Bear in mind OBJ format comes in smoothed, and this is a faceted thing, so 3ds is more appropriate. So if we call this gemstone, and then I'll just launch Bryce and show you the import, which works through the file menu. So just to get this into Bryce, it's quite a straightforward thing. Go File, Import Object, navigate to where the object is saved. There it is, gemstone, and that'll load it in there, and it might come in sideways, so it's just a matter of rotating it and then choosing an appropriate material for whatever you want. So there you go, that's just a very short video on how you could use Wings 3D to model this shape and then import it into Bryce. So I hope you found that useful, and you'll have a go at doing that.